Hey guys, I'm Ralph with Tires Wheels Direct. Don't forget to subscribe right below our YouTube channel. We'll be showcasing this Weld wheel and many more that we sell on Tires Wheels Direct. So check this one out. This is the Ventura, all-time favorite 5-spoke wheel. They come 22x8.5, 5x120 plus 6, 78.1 center board and a gloss black with milled windows. I'm gonna pair this up for it's gonna be a Monte Carlo with rears in a 22 10.5. So this is the Ventura 10.5. 13 offset 5x120, 78.1 center bore, same thing, gloss black with milled, offset 13. Whenever you shop for the rear, and I'll tell you the front, the rear is S104 205-636-25, and in the front you'll pair them with S104 285-63500. That way you have the staggered setup. So check this guy out. I'm gonna open the box. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below of this wheel. And I'll get you guys out. So this is the front. I'm gonna open up the rear too, so that way you know what the lip sizes on front and rear look like. So here goes the front. Straight 5-spoke wheel and a 5x120. Great fitment for the G bodies, Regals, Monte Carlos, maybe even a Chevelle or Malibu. So gloss black, milled windows, conical seat lug nuts will go right in. Nice center cap on the center. Weld logo on one of the sides. TPMS sensor is compatible, but most of the time you guys, this is an old school wheel for old school cars. Great looking style. Let me give you the lip size on it. So the lip here, let me see if I can get a measuring tape here. Hold on, let me see. Turn on if you can give me a measuring tape. So I'll give you the wheel weight on it and then the measure the front and rear on this wheel to give you the exact size. Just put it on hold.